Choosing the right outdoor grill vent hood can transform your grilling experience, ensuring safety and comfort. Start with ventilation power. Does it have enough CFM to handle your grill's heat and smoke? Next, consider material durability. Opt for stainless steel to withstand the elements and resist corrosion. Size matters too. Ensure your vent hood matches your grill's dimensions for optimal smoke capture. Don't overlook noise level. A quieter hood enhances your grilling enjoyment. Ease of cleaning is crucial. Look for designs with removable grease filters for straightforward maintenance. Installation requirements should be clear. Decide if you need professional assistance or if you can handle it yourself. Lastly, don't forget aesthetics. Choose a design that complements your outdoor kitchen and overall home style. By keeping these factors in mind, you'll make a confident choice that suits your needs and enhances your home's functionality. For expert advice or installation, consider reaching out to Appliance Repair Coquitlam. We're here to help you every step of the way. Happy grilling!